Hey everybody, Greg Marchand here. Let's talk really quick about setting and achieving business goals. Setting goals is relatively easy. It's the achieving part, as you probably know, that can be really challenging. I goal set yearly, generally in December for the following year, and then I review those goals monthly. I do the same thing with shops like yours, right? And so once you get goals on paper, then you need a list of action items that you're going to take to accomplish those goals. The action items can be the really hard part, but they can also be the key to achieving business goal success. So you've got to have some sort of tool, whether it's software or your calendar or your own list, where you're going to put down the 12 most important action items that you can take during the year for that goal to accomplish that goal. And generally, I want shorter term. So I'll take my 12 months goals and I'll break them into, say, 3 or 4 action items that I am going to accomplish over a very given time period, such as 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, etc. And so each one of those goals isn't going to take me 12 months to accomplish. It's going to take me at the most 3 months or 1 quarter to accomplish. All right, so number 1, you've got to write your goals down. Number 2, you've got to break those goals into a manageable piece or pieces that you can take action on. And then number 3, and maybe most important, you've got to find an accountability partner. Sometimes that's a mastermind group, sometimes that's software, sometimes that's another shop down the street, sometimes that's some sort of business group that you're involved in. But if you do those 3 things, set your goals, break them into achievable pieces, and 3, find an accountability partner, your business will grow if you do any form of any one of those 3. I promise. Keep up the great work and never, ever, ever stop learning.